YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. I thought about doing this video for so long, and I didn't think I was going to get a chance to do it because as a sneakerhead, we all know when it's a limited shoe, you don't get a chance to cop it, you hurt. You got to start thinking about resale value and all that stuff. But there's actually something worse than missing out on the shoe. What's worse is when you actually cop said shoe and then you get an email that looks something like that. And you find out that your order has been canceled. That's worse because now you got bamboozled. And that happened to me. So you see this box, deconstructed box. You know what I'm about to talk to y'all about. The off-white UNC ones dropped on May 23rd out of nowhere. It was a surprise release. I did not get them on the 23rd, but then God. On the 24th of May, the sneakers app gave limited exclusive access to I don't know how many people, but I actually was lucky enough to get that limited access. So I copped them. I wanted them. I wanted the UNC ones, and I never got those, and the resale on those is crazy. So I was just hoping that I was going to have a shot at getting these off-white joints, and I did. So when I seen that the exclusive access was there, I copped up, and then I was in heaven. And then I immediately was faced with hell. The next day, I'm at happy hour, enjoying myself, and I got an email. And at first when I read the email, I'm thinking like, oh, they shipped my joints. Because after you cop on sneakers, they then hit you with the email, hey, we got your order, we're on it. The following email after that is typically a confirmation with a tracking number. So when the email came through, that's what I thought it was, but it wasn't. It was that. It said, unfortunately, we have to cancel your order. Like that ruined my day. So what I would tell anybody, anytime something goes wrong, whether they cancel your order, they send you the wrong size, they send you the wrong shoe, anything that, whether it's Nike, Foot Locker, I don't care who it is, anytime something goes wrong with your order, hold them accountable, yo. That's customer service. So that's what I did. I think I waited like a few days after I, dried up my tears and all that. And I hopped on Nike.com and we started a chat session. I told the girl, her name's Tiffany, shout out to you, Tiffany, that, yo, you canceled my order. This is really unacceptable. And she offered me a 10% coupon code, and then we went back and forth and she turned it into 15%. So I took that and I was like, all right, move on with life. But then like a week later or 2 weeks later, I got another email. That email said, from Tiffany, shout out to you, Tiffany, showing, I know that we sold out of your shoe, I'm sorry. However, we found the 8.5. And then I was back in heaven. So me and Tiffany went back and forth. Long story short, she sent them back out. Like she asked me for my credit card information, whatever, sent her all the information she needed, verified my address, and she sent me my off-whites. Not only did she send them to me, but she sent them to me overnight. So they came on UPS, it said that it came from Nike's mail room and from Seattle to Jersey in one day, and they're here. So the wait is over. This is not your regular Jordan 1's box. Not only is the shoe deconstructed, but so is the box, starting with the lid. I'm not gonna rip this off because I like it this way, but you get a nice little sneak peek. And then you get down to the grails. Orange laces, blue laces, zip tie, the shades. So that's everything in your box. You got a nice little wrapper here, and it has writing on it. Off-white stuff, off-white for Nike. Now about the box, or your colorway for that matter. Air Jordan 1 off-white NRG, which is energy, 8.5 men's, 10 women's, white DK powder blue, and your retail of $190. I honestly don't know. Everything's labeled, so shoelaces. I don't know which of these laces I'm gonna use. I've seen people kill the orange, kill the blue. I'm more of a simple type of dude myself, so I might just keep the white. But the zip tie will be used on the right shoe. They came on the left. I took it off, and I don't think I'm taking these off. I'm not sure yet, but made in China. Now, so cold. A little smudge there, but outside of that, man, quality is decent or good. I'm not gonna say decent. Quality's not great, but it's definitely good. It's exceptional. Or yeah, it's good. It's good. The leather is not as good as what I've seen on like the shattered backboards, but it's still good leather. You have your powder blue all throughout the shoe with white. And then you got a lot of different materials on it, which I really do like. So to start on your toe box, this is like a nylon and a hard mesh. I just hope to God this joint don't turn yellow. So you can see the material there. I just hope it doesn't turn yellow. The entire shoe or toe has the white trim or stitching. I'm sorry, white stitching. You have the oversized swoosh, which I've loved on all the shoes that he's done. Now that swoosh has the orange stitching at the front, and then it's like it's attached because it's not attached to the shoe. These stitchings are literally holding this swoosh on, so that's dope. You got the orange stitching back here, white midsole, the very popular air in quotations. On your heel, this is not leather. It's some kind of harder materials, like reinforced, but I guess it's really just to give you more ankle support. So, but before you even get to that, I love how he detached. I call this is the logo, wing logo, but these are not wings too. And then it has the 85 in quotations in here. No swoosh on the medial side, which is dope. Got the off-brand writing, 85 again. On your heel, this is nylon, and it looks unfinished, and that's on purpose, which I think is a real good touch. Now, on that heel, you have off-white. This is like a nubuck, and then it turns into white leather going back to the medial side, so it changes up on you, which I really like a lot as well. As you go up to your tongue, this is all mesh, and then you have another touch of orange here with your Nike branding, and your tongue is unfinished as well, which I like. Inside your shoe, you have your insoles, which it has like these triangular accents, and they actually stick out, like they pop out of the insole, which is kind of different. And then you have your Nike branding at the bottom. And for the fact that, one, I was late to the ones as a whole. My first pair of ones were the hair, what is it, hair air, you know what I'm talking about, those. But I wanted the North Carolina ones, and retail is just crazy on them, so I don't have them. But these will do. These will do. And your outsole, regular one outsole, all powder blue. But there you have it. Same, everything I went over in that left shoe, everything is still the same on the right. Nothing's different. You know what I mean? But I love these Jones, man. I have not even worn them. I've laced them up. I haven't worn them out. Laced them up. Took a couple steps in them. But I think they're releasing again. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that. but they have released like a bunch of times to different retailers and a couple European spots. So these were probably the most available out of the three off-white ones. With the Chicagos, you had the all-white Jones that I think were just a Europe release, and you have these. So the resale value is crazy. When they initially dropped, it was like $1,500. Then they went down to about $800 not too long ago, and I think they're creeping back up to about $1,000. So if y'all looking for them, man, it's gonna cost rent money. But what do y'all think about them? I'm in love. Oh, and I almost forgot. Got some more wings near your toe box, which I love. Comment, man. Let me know what y'all think about them. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe. There's no way I'm ending this video without giving y'all an on-foot look, so that's next.
Born ready, stiff dick at my circumcision. Rappers copycatting, I can't even tell the difference. I just stay consistent, grinding on this Vader mission. Handle music, Lou and love, handle politicking. Hear me spitting out with it, you must don't see the vision. This the answer for all that indecision. Gritting my teeth, pacing and trying to get the flows. Dominoes that wipe me down, about to get my genie out. We gon' get it, tenacious, not born timid. Invaded for coin digits, it's like the coin Olympics. Write my name on Mount Olympus. Hustler shown kippish. Master Jedi descended, Lord Vader is unblemished. I ain't here to judge, that's your honor roll. Who I stand for, loyalty to honor code. Honor studies, graduated on the honor roll. Use honor again, just to show you how far I go. It's all me. It's on me. I ain't even stopping if my tank is on it. No money in my pocket, but today they gon' sit. They gon' sit. They'll never break me. It go bang, bang, bang. That's the rhythm of the street. His mama crying cause her son that got slain. Cops asking questions, I'm like, hell no way. Nigga, this the type of shit that happens every damn day. Born ready, raised with nothing, now I want it all. Can't wake up walking in this journey, gotta learn to crawl. Trap pick, still gotta learn to ball. Feeling rusty, but your hustle play your armor all. Waiting like a Manziel, started at a standstill. Laughing mountains, cause to me they only sand hills. One man, but I work for full band deal. Grew up on the east, screaming recipes to cold real. Hunger vicious, since my brother sentence. Say I got the juice, but I'm focused, I'm barely sipping. Hate Vegas like a stripper, hate a nigga belly tipping. Working at 9 to 5, not your passion, you barely living. I learned at the hallway, it's all in the hallway. City and God, opposition get killed in broad day. Conversation starting and then with that plucker. Lying in the jungle with scars just killing Mufasa. It's on me. It's on me. I ain't even stopping if my tank is on it. No money in my pocket, but today they gon' sit. They gon' sit. They'll never break me. It go bang, bang, bang. That's the rhythm of the street. Hey, his mama crying cause the son that got slain. Cops asking questions, I'm like, hell no way. Nigga, this the type of shit that happens every damn day.
Straight bullets ain't got no name.